I'm super excited. We had a subscriber send us something in the mail and said that it was for the babies. So let's see what it is. I think they hear it. Oh my gosh. It is 4 giant bags of Grubbly Farms Hometown Harvest, sustainably grown on farms in the USA and Canada. More calcium than mealworms. Nice. Well, this is a special treat. Let's go out and give them some. Ladies, you got a treat from a subscriber, ladies. Ooh, look at, oh yes. Look at you come running. There you go. Ha 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 ha.
Everybody loves a dried worm.
Everybody loves a dried worm. Where's Babe? Oh, Babe, you used to love these when you were little. You would gobble them up, Babe. You don't want to try them? No, you're too good for them? Oh, here you go. Ladies. Look at puffy cheeks and Sissy, get out of there. You don't like them. Yes, I do. Look, here they come running. Guineas. Look at you. Look. CJ. His waddle looks like it's falling off. Here, Babe. The ladies are loving them. Can you say thank you, ladies? It's okay, Babe. Give it a try. She's looking at it like, I don't know, that doesn't look like banana. You don't like it? Oh, yeah. There you go, ladies. Boop, 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 boop. Dang. Guineas. Over here. Let me see if they want some. Let's give this guy some. You don't have any water, bud. He tipped it over.
Grubby Farms. Is that
Grubbly.
Marsh over? Nice. 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 Thank you, ladies. FOMO. I'm putting a wheel on my gate real quick. Figure you might want to see it because it's dragging. So I'm gonna go lift it up. Go over there. So I'm gonna put a wheel on it so it's easy for Jess just to scooch it over.
Ontario, and I'm tracing your face with words to a page that I.
Well, it's a little chilly at the top of the hill, but I'm going to maybe switch out the gate. I don't know if the FedEx guy hit it the other day coming out, but there's a little dent in it and the bottom hinge is off, so I'm gonna get another plan and come back.
And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead here. And the skies are clear in Barcelona, no storms ahead or anything at all.
Thank you so much for sending us a treat for our babies. They absolutely loved them. I hope you enjoyed watching them. Enjoy your treat. Until next time, we appreciate you guys stopping by, and we hope that you join us for our live at 7 p.m. on Sunday, and that this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.
And I had to leave that place